In this video, I'm going to show you a 6-piece gel polish set from a company called Rosalind. Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're going to the beach. Well, we're not really going to the beach, but I am going to review this crazy summer set from a company called Rosalind, and the colors in here are orange soda, green, peppermint, lake blue, lemon, and sakura. And I can't wait to do this review for you guys, so let's go ahead and open it up. This is part of their Macaron color series. So this box is very elegant looking. I think this would be a great gift for Christmas, birthdays, or if you know someone who just really loves polish. It's very nice and simple. And here are the labels. This is how it looks. And it is not labeled with the color names, but they are labeled with the color numbers on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna label my swatches before I get started. If you guys own a lot of polish, I would definitely recommend you invest in a label maker. It will make your life so much easier in keeping them organized. So the first color I'm going to show you guys is this purple color. And I'll just give you a close-up of how it looks. And my first impression when applying this polish is that it was very smooth looking and it flowed really well. It was very liquidy. I don't really know how to explain it. I mean, I'm sure you guys can see the consistency and you don't really have a problem with putting it on. Here's a close-up of the first coat. And these polishes had really good pigmentation to them, but I did do 2 coats so you guys can just see the full color of them. And this is the first color I'm showing you guys. That's called Greed. All right, so next is yellow. And like I said, I'm not one for bright colors, but I mean, look at this. Look how smooth it goes on. And it only takes 60 seconds to cure these. Now that might differ depending on the wattage of your lamp. So here's that first color. And like I said, I'm gonna do 2 coats. That way you guys get the full color of these. You guys go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you've tried this brand before. Because after trying it, I'm like, where have you been all of my nail life, okay? Because they are just gorgeous. So this color is lemon. All right, the next color we're gonna look at is this mint color. And there it is. So just doing a little research about this company, I know they've been around for some years now, but I've never heard of them until they reached out to me. And I'm so glad they did because I'm really loving their gel polishes. So I'm showing you guys the first coat and the second coat of this color. And it's like a green minty color, and it is called Peppermint. The next color we're gonna look at is blue, which is one of my favorite colors. And there you guys, look at that. Oh, gorgeous, hello. And there is the smoothness of it, and that is called Lake Blue. Next color is an orange color. I'm not really one for orange, but like I said, all the colors in this set was just amazing. And honestly, they reminded me of like a Laffy Taffy colors. I don't know if you guys ever had the candy Laffy Taffy, but that could have been a good name for this set, Laffy Taffy. Tell me what you guys think down below. So the last color we're gonna look at is pink. I know there's a lot of pink lovers out there. I love pink. And here's a quick tip, you guys. When applying gel polish, I just do it in little small strokes first, just kind of cover up the nail. And then you can get out any fuzzies too, if there are any on there. And then I go back over it with really long strokes from the top to the end of the nail before I cure it. So that's how I do it. All right, and that color is called Sakura. And for the last step, I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm just going to rub it over the top of this gel polish because gel polish does leave a sticky layer after you apply it. Another thing that was great about this gel polish is that it didn't need a top coat. It was still shiny and I did not put a top coat on these and they still came out amazing. Alright, that is my review, you guys. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you found it entertaining. And again, these colors are from that Macaron color series. And there are those colors once again for you guys. They're so amazing. If you enjoy my content, please remember to leave a like and leave a comment for me. And also remember to subscribe on your way out to one of my other videos or to wherever you're headed. I'll see you guys on my next review.